In this section, we're going to talk about Core Location Framework. In this particular video, we're going to start with Core Location and how to understand what's happening inside it. So Apple has a ton of frameworks for you to work with. In this particular section, we will learn this framework for getting the user's location and updating the information in our sample app. Now, as you can see at the right-hand side, we have a screenshot from one of the apps called Find My. It is displaying an alert, which is actually handled by the iOS. The name of the app is Find My, so that is the only thing in the title of the alert that is editable by you, because you can simply change the name of the application. But the Apple will always say, allow so-and-so to access your location. The string below that is something that we're going to cover in the coming videos. This string helps users understand why exactly you want or the application wants their location. Below that, there are 3 buttons. Now, this is something that has come up so recently in iOS. You can allow while using the app, or you can simply allow once, and you can also tap do not allow. So it's totally up to the user whether he gives you the access to the location or not. And we have to handle the scenario when we don't have the access to the location. Now, what comes with the framework? There are a lot of things. First and foremost is the CoreLocation Manager. Now, it is used to start and stop the delivery of location-related events to your app. Now, the CoreLocation Manager delegate is a protocol that you have to follow in order to get the event updates. So its methods can be used to receive the events from the associated location manager. For using the location services in any kind of application, you have to follow 3 basic steps. The first one is to create an instance of the location manager. Then you assign the delegate of the location manager, and whichever class is implementing that delegate protocol, it's going to have a method as per the protocol that handles events as well as the errors. You also have to ensure that you ask for user authorization. If you don't do that, that is, if you don't add the required string in for the playlist, you're not following the human interface guidelines. Also, you have to be very, very accurate in what exactly you're asking, because sometimes if you put a vague user authorization string, then your app may get rejected at the App Store submission level. If you don't follow the HIG, you might get something like this when you submit your app. Upon further review, we still found that your app uses background location services but does not clarify the purpose of its use in the location modal alert as required in the iOS human interface guidelines.